We need to obtain the derivative of log of x raised to the power of cosine of x. We'll begin by supposing that y is given by log of x whole raised to the power of cosine of x. What we'll do? We'll try to find out the derivative by using the help of logarithm. So what we'll do? We'll take the logarithm, natural log on both sides. That gives us natural log of x raised to the power of cosine of x. We can use the property of logarithm, which states that if we have log of a raised to the power of b, that's given by b times log of a. That means we have log of y equals to cosine of x multiplied to log of log x. Now, what we'll do, we'll take the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So we have that derivative of log of y equals to derivative with respect to x of cosine of x times log of log x. Now, we know the derivative of the logarithmic function, derivative with respect to x of log of x, that's equals to 1 over x. So it's that when we have natural log of y, we'll get 1 over y. But since we have a y instead of x, we'll have to use the chain rule and multiply it to derivative of y with respect to x. Now here we can use the product rule since we have two functions, cosine of x multiplied to log of log x. So that means we have cosine of x multiplied to derivative with respect to x of log x plus log of log x multiplied to derivative with respect to x of cosine of x. Right. So this gives us 1 over y times derivative of y with respect to x equals to cosine of x times the derivative of the logarithmic function is 1 over x, but since we have log of log x, so that means this will be divided by log of x. But then again, we'll have to use the chain rule and multiply it to derivative with respect to x of log of x. Plus, we have log of log x multiplied to derivative of the cosine function, which is negative sine x. Right. So this will be equals to cosine of x divided by log of x multiplied to derivative of the logarithmic function is 1 over x minus sine x multiplied to log of log x. So this is 1 over y times derivative of y with respect to x. So we can multiply both sides with y to get derivative of y with respect to x is equals to y multiplied to cosine of x divided by x times log of x minus sine x multiplied to log of log x. And finally, we'll replace the value of y with equation number 1, which is log of x raised to the power of cosine of x. So that means derivative with respect to x of natural log of x raised to the power of cosine of x. So this will be given by log of x raised to the power of cosine of x whole thing multiplied to cosine of x divided by x times log of x minus sine x multiplied to log of log x. So this is the value of the given derivative.